So my collection goals for 2022 is try not to sell. Do not sell your existing pieces in order to find some new pieces, because I always regret. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna talk collection goals for 2022. So someone in the comment section mentioned I should do collection goals for 2022, and one of my biggest goals is try not to sell. And but I do have some collection goals. So here are my collection goals for 2022. So when you like watches, yeah, you do have some grails, you do have some watches you need to add, and unfortunately with the Rolex situation, I always wanted to add the day date and a bluesy maybe down the line, especially with the new bluesy, the ceramic bluesy. I really enjoy that piece, and changes in taste are so frequent when it comes to watches and me, and not just watches, anything. Maybe yesterday I didn't like that sweater, the ugly Christmas one, and today I adore it, or the floral t-shirt or shirt, and now I enjoy them. But overall, changes and tastes do change compared to the other one. Get it? So for a long time I've been wanting to add a day date. 36 mil white gold day date, yellow gold not an issue, but white gold day date 36 would be a perfect, and hopefully one day I will add it. I don't see it in my collection in 22 because I do not want to get rid of existing timepieces in my collection. I've sold enough and I don't want to sell anymore. Oh, another collection goal is to add a bluesy, ceramic bluesy. I grew to like it a lot, and that's because all of you guys, and you know, when someone posts a photo online and you see it and you go and start looking and googling that watch, well, I'm no different than you guys. So yeah, also I would like to maybe add a Sinn EZM3. And I was thinking about that watch. As you know, Tim Russell wears EZM1, which is a chronograph version, and EZM3 is a dive version of that watch. And I've been thinking a lot about, of course I like Tim Russell and he's influenced me a lot, but he sold his complete collection, just got one Sinn EZM1, and he's completely happy with it. So yeah, that's basically it. Other than that, I do not want to sell at any cost, but when it comes to me, you never know what's gonna be my next piece, what will I add next to the collection, so you never know. But these are remaining my long-term grails, and I would love to hear one more your grail pieces. Write me down below, and I wish you achieve your grails. So thank you guys for watching. I'm EDC Gunner, and I'm signing out. Cheers. Also write me in the comments box down below what are your collection goals in the following year.